Hi there, I'm Beau Miller. I'm from Boutique Realty, and today I'm showing you through 47 to 49 Arthy Drive in Cedar Grove. As you can see, it has a gorgeous big long driveway, palm trees lining each side. It is a concreted driveway, and we have a massive front yard in this property. So I'll try and zoom through as quickly as I can. You'll see that there are two single doors for the garages. They are two separate garages, so there is a wall between them. There is side access down the right hand side, and you will see at the back of the property there is a single shed with a carport. Okay, as we go inside, we've got security screens, beautiful slate floor. There's your lounge room, dining, and kitchen. So the kitchen comes with dishwasher and overlooks the back patio. Okay. Got a cupboard there, master bedroom with ceiling fans. Okay, this house has a two-way bathroom. So here is your walk-in robe and then door into the bathroom. Has a spa bath and shower, separate toilet, and laundry here. Now there are two bedrooms at the back of the house with ceiling fans, and that's a wall heater there overlooking your beautiful backyard. Okay, this bedroom's a little bit bigger with ceiling fan and wardrobe. Okay, I'm going to take you out to the patio. So the covered patio here is fully fenced. On this side you will see there is a studio room, really well suited to a home office. And then there is your shed that I mentioned at the start. So it's just a shingle workshop. It isn't really the size for a car or anything like that, but it does have a carport on the side. Now what you haven't seen is there is a little granny flat at this property. The granny flat has two bedrooms, kitchen and bathroom, no laundry. Okay, it's got its own little cute little garden. So this is quite modern in here. Ceiling fans. Okay, one bedroom here on the left. Another bedroom here on the right. Bathroom. Shower. And it's got a toilet there behind. Now, as I mentioned, it doesn't have a laundry in this granny flat. The property has solar power. It's on one electricity meter. It's also tank water. It's got a large garden shed and biocycle system. Plenty of garden beds for vegetables if you do like gardening. So this is a gorgeous home, really suited to somebody who's used to acreage living, enjoys a bit of gardening, and we would love to show you through if you can make it to our next viewing. We look forward to talking to you then.